Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? If you're new in this channel, please consider to subscribe to the channel, support the video, support the channel by liking, commenting and share. I have a video to share with us.
Nigeria is boiling, and Nigeria will keep boiling. There is no fire distinguisher waiting in the call that can quench this fire. We have 7 days that make up a week, 7 good days that make up a week. We have Monday to Sunday that make up 1 week. And out of these 7 days, if you throw bomb 1 day, what happened to the 6 days? God. If you use 1 day throw bomb, what happened to the 6 days? Yesterday, we find you come. Today, we find you come. Tomorrow, we will find you come. Next tomorrow, we will find you come. We will keep hunting you. We will keep hunting you until you are nowhere to be found. This is our land. We go nowhere. I told you, don't start the fire. You will not have anything to quench. Because you are a black and very stupid and useless, you think everything is by gun and bullet and bomb. Today, how many of you go down? Yesterday that you came, how many of you went down? Tomorrow, I assure you, a good number of you will still go down. We are like the river you can never suck dry. The day you finish, you dry the river, is the day you will conquer us. But as long as you can never dry the river, no matter how you fish, no matter the bucket, no matter the tanker you use in fishing water in a river, you can never dry it. That is who Biafrans are. You can never dry us, you can never kill us, you can never scare us, you can never defeat us. We are undefeatable. So I'm asking you a question this evening. If you use 1 day throwing bomb in Biafra land, what happened to the next 6 days? Help me ask them. Who know them should ask them. If they use 1 day throw bomb, what happened to the next 6 days? We have 31 to 30 to 28 days that make a month. If you use 2 weeks or 1 week throw bomb, what happened to the remaining days, weeks? What happened to the remaining weeks? So, if you throw bomb today, you go and rest. Abi? You say you throw bomb and you finish, you don't kill all of us out. You don't destroy us from our eye out. That same yesterday, how many of your soldiers will find you come your place and deal with you? Today, how many go down? You can't defeat us. I'm here to tell you, to ask you a very simple question. What happened to the rest of the 6 days that make a week if you use only 1 day throw bomb? Now, barracks, army are looking for a safer place for their family. Barrack is no longer a safer place for their family again. They are looking for secret place. We get our eyes everywhere. Our eyes is in everywhere. The same way you kill our mama, the same way you kill our papa, the same way you kill our brother, the same way you kill our sister, the same way you kill our uncle, our aunt, our father escape from it. If you like, carry your family, go dig ground, put them. We will dig that ground and bring them out and kill them. You will feel the pain that we felt. You will cry the way we cry. Because he that come with gun must die with the gun. So whatever thing you sow, you will reap. You think we are here to joke? You don't know what is coming. I've told you before that you people doesn't know what is coming. If all of you, from the governors to the least politician, know what is coming, you people will stop this madness immediately. I will keep telling you, when we start gear 1, when the vehicle start moving, I will still be on air to tell you that we are just moving. We have just starting acceleration 1, but now we are just steaming the car. And I will tell you to fasten your seat belt. Yes, fasten your seat belt. We are not yet moving. We are still steaming the car. Listen very carefully. This car is still steaming. You understand? Having run check on the car. If the oil is there, water is there, everything is there. What we are doing now is that we are steaming the car. When we start movement, you will know. And let me tell you, it will be very bad if all of you allow us to start this movement. We will never stop. No brake. Let me tell you this. Our car does not have brake. We have disconnected the brake. No brake pad. We have disconnected brake from our vehicle, so that there will be no reason for us to mass brake. So anything that stand on our way will be crushed down. I am giving you the last warning, because any moment from now, this vehicle will begin to move. And anything we see on the way will be crushed down. Be warned. No brake. So, don't let us move this vehicle before you begin to say, please, mass brake, let's discuss. Please, mass brake, let's sort it out. You approve the bombing. All the governors, all the senators, all the House of Rep approve that army, military men should come inside the land of Biafra and be throwing bomb on our source, in our land, bombing our houses. It was by the approve of the governors and the senators. We will not spare you. We will not spare your family. By the time we will finish with the army first, our mission first is to ensure that we finish with the army. Until army will run away, nobody will guide your family. Nobody will guide you. Nobody. You will not even see anybody to go on convoy. Then we will come after you. Just wait for us. We are coming. We are not in the hurry. We are not in the hurry. We are not in the hurry. I've told you that our vehicle does not have brake at all. You see this vehicle? No brake. And now we are still steaming the vehicle. Simon Ekpa is steaming the vehicle. Oh. We never start movement. Idiot. You think we are here to joke? You carry the only good man and prison the good man and kill us at will, and you expect us to sit down and watch you finishing us. Who does that? Who does that in this generation? You never see something. You are on the run. You are on the run. You come. Tomorrow, we will find you come. We will keep killing you until you have nowhere to be hide in Biafra land. We are coming. I've told you. I always tell you when we make move. Do you hear what Nnamdi Kanu tell you? He said, before we come, we will tell you that we are coming. Wait for us. Do that thing you think you can do to stop us. And we will tell you that where your power stop is where we are starting. Our own just begin. Where your power stop is where we start our own. So, you remember what I used to tell you people when you come with juju? I said the juju where you carry come inside our land is like when Moses throw his staff, the one God ordained, The staff God ordained gave Moses. When Moses cast down the staff and it turned to snake, Pharaoh magician, Pharaoh physician came and threw their own. He also turned to snake. But there is something you do not know. That snake past snake. Moses' own swallow all their own and join. This is what we will do. You will bring your juju. The God of our land will swallow it and add more power to us. We are undestructible. We are unstoppable. So it does not mind. It doesn't mean the juju you carry come. Carry come the ground. Our ground will swallow them. It doesn't mean see. You have testified now. Some of you were boasting how much juju we do. We know they do juju, but you were asking us how much juju do we do? That you are spending millions of naira to do juju, but we will fire you one bullet. You are already dead. Just one bullet, you are gone. You think say now by juju? Do you think that is by juju? This is our ground. This is our land. This is our ground. We own this land. So any juju where you carry come, our land goes. Our ancestors will swallow it. And once you match your leg in the source of Biafra land, you are empty. I'm telling you this for you to know. You are empty. Ordinary cow, you are a gunner. So come. I told you, you come in 1,000, you die in 1,000. You come in million, you die in million. We go nowhere. You see this land of Biafra? At the end of this war, you will use your mouth like this, begin to kneel down the back or say, carry this Biafra, go away. We are not in the hurry. Every politician in Biafra land, we know, we are aware that it is you that signed that military should come and bomb Biafra land. No problem. Our first mission now is to make sure that that shelter around you is removed. And these are the military around you. When we finish with them, we are coming for you. Yes, we are coming for you. Just wait. Remember, we are still steaming the cow. We never start the movement. But I'm advising you to fasten your seatbelt because the movement will soon begin. And you use your mouth to testify the goodness of the Lord. 7 days that make up a week. If you use 1 day to bomb, what happened to the 6 days? Nigeria soldier, Alpha now. Mopo. Aja Mopo. Alpha. Airborne. We will rocket you on fire. You will know that these these very types of Biafran children is a very type Philippine warn you about. Philippine told you, if you did not change, if you do the same thing you did to us, then our children, the generation that will rise, will be more worse, more dangerous, more destructive than us. And this is us. You don't get sense. You capture Nnamdi Kanu. You think everything will die up? What happened to Simon Ekpa? Now you are looking for Simon Ekpa head. But let me warn you that more than 1,000 people that are more dangerous than Simon Ekpa is waiting for Simon Ekpa disappearance. I won't warn you again. And do you know one thing? Do you know what you do not know now? Let me give you this secret so that you will not say you were not warned. Nnamdi Kanu was single-handedly commanding the whole armed forces. He didn't use violence. He only believed in negotiation. He speaks the truth, pure truth. He does not believe in violence anyway. When you he believes in the greater reason, take the best part of it. Nnamdi Kanu believe in reasoning. Nnamdi Kanu did not believe too much in killing or yes, war. That was why he bring the way of referendum. Why don't you just choose the peaceful way, conduct referendum, let's decide, or let every part come together, let's just discuss. Because the humiliation of Igbos or Biafrans is too much. You say, no, he's talking rubbish. Felony treason, as you claim to be, you capture him. He was a civilian, a pure civilian. You capture him. Now his disciple are surveilled. Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa is a military man. He know what it means to gain respect. Because as a military man like me, he knows that respect is not given. We command respect. So therefore, we do not have time to plead. That thing you know is necessary. Either you take it by force or you take it by force. No other way. Either you take it by force or you take it by force. The same way I tell you, it is either Biafra or Biafra. No other option. Okay? Now, he survey and he understand that this kind of situation does not need too much talking. It doesn't need pleading. It does not even need negotiation. He say, man, who are with me? All the boys say, Oga, we are with you. We were born to do this. Give us what we need and we will deliver. It's okay. He bring out what we need. And what is that? That same thing you have is what we have. And we have been delivering. No noise. Now, you are calling his head. But let me tell you what will happen if you succeed on this man. He's single-handedly, he's a disciple of Nnamdi Kanu. For your information, he's single-handedly leading this soldier. But 1,000 commanders are waiting. So rugged, so dangerous in the land and upland, in the land of Biafra and upland, waiting for his disappearance. And immediately.
Anyway, I just want to share this video with us. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like the video, comment and share. Thank you.